Pans and Pioneers. Today I'm going to be making a Crockpot cube steak. I've got my liner in the Crockpot and I have the Crockpot turned up on high. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our cube steak in the bottom of the Crockpot. And you typically make chicken fried steak out of the cube steak. But today we're going to make it in the Crockpot. Lots of gravy. So I'm using a beef cube steak, but they do make pork cube steak. You just have to look for it in the grocery store. And I'm using 6 steaks. Now you can find this recipe on potspansandpioneers.com, or you can also find the recipe on my Facebook page. I share a lot of recipes on my Facebook page, so if you have Facebook, feel free to go search my channel and give us a like, and it'll notify you every time I share a recipe. Okay, we've got our steaks in here. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of salt, and I'm using pink salt, just a little bit, because most of everything we're putting in here has a salt base. Oops. Okay, to this I'm adding 2 cubes of beef broth, a package of onion soup mix. I recommend you use the French onion, but I don't have French onion, so I think it's the difference in the type of onion they use, but this will work out fine. And 2 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch. Pour that in. And everybody knows the onion soups have dehydrated onions. It's not fresh. So for this recipe, I recommend you use the soup mix. And to that, we're going to add, you can add a can of cream of chicken. I made my own. But you want to add a can of cream of chicken. And or a cup and a half of cream of chicken. Like I said, all this has salt in it already, so you don't really want to salt up your food. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Creole seasoning, and I'm going to add a little bit of thyme. And our last is just 1 1/3 cup of water. So we're going to place the lid on this. It should cook 6 to 8 hours. At hour 4, you're going to want to come in and stir everything together and let it cook the remaining time. So we'll be back when it's all cooked up. Okay, our Crockpot cube steak is ready to be plated up. So I'm going to go ahead and fix our plates. I've got some mashed potatoes. These are yellow gold potatoes, and I always leave the skins on. You don't have to, but that's what I do. I'm going to make some vegetables here. Make sure we get those on there. And then let's get our steaks on here. Scooch it over. Now my husband's going to probably eat 2 of these steaks, but this would feed 6 if you just, you know, had a luncheon or something like that. There you go. And Bill's going to want gravy. Alright y'all, this is the Salisbury, not Salisbury steak. There's no tomato sauce in this. I don't know what I'm thinking. This is the Crockpot cube steak. and I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'll post it on our Pots, Pans, and Pioneers. You can also find it on my Facebook page. And you can go to the website and print off the recipe. It does not require your email address or anything like that. So, and I'll post a link to those two things in the description. Everybody have a blessed week. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you on the next video.